Students, welcome to the online classes of chemistry. So, yesterday I have completed all the IUPAC rules and few examples. And today in this class we will discuss few examples. So, the examples are if it contains more than one functional group. So, we know that if any organic compound contains more than one functional group, the higher priority functional group is considered as principal functional group, and the another functional group is considered as a prefix or secondary functional group. So, let us see few examples. So, here the first example is CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH2, COOH. Look here students, it is an example here. It contains two functional groups. I will write here, it contains two functional group. One is COOH, another one is OH. And here, so here it carbon chain is 1, 2, 3, 4 and it is 5. So here it contains two functional group. In such cases, the higher priority is considered as a principal functional group and the next one is considered as a prefix, that is substituent group. So yesterday I have given all the chart regarding this prefix and suffix. Look here, this COOH is greater than OH, means it has higher priority than this OH. Then it is considered as principal functional group. It is the functional group, it is the principal functional group, and then here it is considered as a prefix or it is considered as a suffix. Then number should be given from the end where the principal functional group is attached. So here it is principal functional group 1, 2, 3, 4, it is 5. So here its name is, it is a pent single bond ANE. First write pentane, single bond ANE. Look here, the E is replaced by OIC acid, because here it is OIC acid, it is principal functional group. It is called as a suffix, principal functional group, or it is called as a suffix. And here it is pentanoic acid, or you may write pentane 1-oic acid. Always it begins with number 1, pentanoic acid. And then here 1, 2, 3, 4, it is 4, it becomes a prefix. So what is the name of prefix? We know that the functional group OH is alcohol and its suffix is OL, but its prefix is hydroxy. Its prefix is hydroxy. So it is called as 4-hydroxy pentanoic acid. You may write here 4-hydroxy pentane 1-oic acid or 4-hydroxy pentanoic acid, because it is always number 1. So here if the organic compound contains more than one functional group, the higher priority is considered as principal functional group and the another one is considered as secondary functional group, which is nothing but substituent group or prefix. So then I will write second example. Here CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. Look here, it is simply called as 1, 2, 3, 4 but, single bond ANE, butane, and here it is aldehyde group, Al is added, butanol, but here I will replace here by OH, and here this CHO is greater than OH. Look here, CHO, higher priority, so it is called as principal functional group and it is called as prefix. So it is named as 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is but ANE, E is replaced by Al, 1-butanol or butanol, and then here it is 3-hydroxy, 1, 2, 3, 3-hydroxy butanol, 3-hydroxy butanol. Look here students, if it contains a ketonic group, I will give all type of example. If it contains ketonic group, Look here, third example, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, COOH. Look here. Here it contains two functional group. One is carboxylic acid, another one is ketonic. Then how it is named? Look here. Here carbon chain is continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here this COOH is greater than C double bond O. C double bond O. Look here. And carboxylic acid has higher priority. It is called as principal functional group. Then here it is named as 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4. It is 4 oxo C double bond O. It is called as 4 oxo pentanoic acid. 4 oxo pentanoic acid. And then you take another example. So here I have taken carboxylic acid and then alcohol and aldehyde and alcohol and carboxylic acid and ketone. And if you take another example, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, then CH2, CH2, CHO. Look here. You write any example. So here aldehyde is having higher priority than ketone. Then here it is numbered from this end 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hex ANE is replaced by AL, hexanol. And then here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 oxohexanol. 5 oxohexanol. Look here, students. Like this, these are named by using this principal functional group and secondary functional group. And we may have different examples also. And if it is having double bond or triple bond, in such cases we have other examples, and I will write another example, that is cyanide CH2, 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 COOH. Look here. It is an example here. It is nitrile group, cyanide, nitrile group, and how this nitrile group is named. So here again it is larger one. It is having higher priority than this cyanide group. Then here carboxylic acid is considered as number 1, and it is number 1, 2, 3, 4, it is 5. So how it is named? So 5 is there, it is called as pentane, and then OIC acid, pentanoic acid, and here it is having cyano group. Then how you will name? Is it right or wrong? And you have to give, that is, this is called as cyano and this is called as OIC acid, whether this is right or wrong. Because carbon, both end contains carbon. So what happens in such cases? So tell me. So here we have to, when it is considered as a prefix, then we have to end the carbon chain 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So therefore here it is called as 4 cyano. It is fourth group, cyano group is attached. It is called as butanoic acid. Look here, students, don't confuse this cyanide group. It is nitrile because it becomes prefix, and when it becomes a prefix, so it is called as 4 cyano because it is attached to the fourth carbon atom, 4 cyano butanoic acid. It is not considered in the carbon chain. If it has only one functional group cyano, then it is considered in the or included in the carbon chain. So it is called 4 cyano butanoic acid. Remember such examples. They may ask in the examination. So here, and let us discuss, that is, other examples also. Look here. The other examples which are having double bond and triple bond. Then next example I will write CH3, CHNH2, CH2, COOH. Look here. Here it is carboxylic acid. Here it is a carboxylic acid. It is having larger one, higher priority. Then it is a amino group. And here it is numbered from this end 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here it is 4. It is called as butanoic acid. Butane is replaced by OIC acid. Butanoic acid. You may write butane 1 oic acid 1. You may write 1 or not. So butanoic acid. And then the third one is that is amino group is attached 3 amino butanoic acid. Look here students. It is called as 3 amino butanoic acid. So amino is the prefix and amine, AMINE, amine is the suffix and amino is the prefix. It is the main difference here. So if you write like this, second example CH3, CH2, CHNH2, CH2, CH2, OH. Look here, the OH is attached to this end. And here this OH is having higher priority than this amine. Then therefore here it is numbered 1. So don't give number here. OH is a functional group, it is not a carbon chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is called as pentane. E is replaced by OL, 1 OL, pentanol, and then here 1, 2, 3. It is 3 amino pentanol or pentane 1 all. Look here. So you may write any type of example. So you imagine and write the formulas and also even also name. If they are given name, so if they given name 3 amino pentanol, write pentane the here, that is the parent name first. Parent name first. How to write that is this pentane. Pentane means write 5 carbon atom. And then attach this 1 OL and third place amino group. And now let us see few examples of double bond and triple bond compounds. Look here, third one CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH2, OH. Look here, OH is greater than this double bond 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a but, and it is second carbon it is having double bond, it is 2 En, and first carbon is having alcohol. It is called as 1, 2, 3, 4 but 2 En. E is replaced by 1 OL, butanol. And you may also write another third, that is if it is having triple bond, C triple bond C, CH2, COOH. Look here, COOH, carboxylic acid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write pent, and then third carbon is having triple bond, pent 3 YN, and E is replaced by oic acid, OIC acid. You may write 1 or it is because carboxylic acid is always first number. So pent 3YN oic acid, pent 3YN oic acid. In few books they may write 3 pentanoic acid. Pentanoic acid means 3 pent YN OIC acid. So here 1, 2, 3 pent 3YN. So OIC acid, E is replaced by OIC acid. So here it is double bond and triple bond compounds. So you may write this example also, ketonic group CH3, CH2, C double bond O, then it is CH, CH2, OH. Look here. Here you have ketonic group and alcohol. And ketonic group here it is larger than or higher priority than this OH group. So here it is nearest to this end. Give number 1, 2, 3, 4. It is called as but. And then here ANE, E is replaced by AN, and E is replaced by oxo. So here ketonic group is there. And then you write 2 ONE, butanone or 2-butanone, but 1, 2, 3, 4, but AN single bond, and here it is ketonic group is there 2, 1, E is replaced by 1, and here 1 hydroxy butane 2, 1. And if you replace OH group here or anywhere, these are the examples. Then another one, I will show new example. Look here. Note, if an unbranched carbon chain or unbranched chain is linked with, look here students, unbranched chain is linked with 3-carboxyl group. So here the name, so how this compound is named? If an unbranched chain is linked with 3-carboxyl groups, the name ends with tricarboxylic acid. Look here, this line is very important one. So it is ends with tricarboxylic acid. I will show example here. Look here. Here CH2 COOH. Then I will write CH COOH CH2 COH. Look here students, very best example. And here if don't write this COH, if it is like this, you can name easily. So it can be easily named because it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means it is pent ANE. E is replaced by, so it is 1, 5 dioic acid. Look here, pentane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pentane 1, 5 dioic acid. Greek prefix we are using dioic acid. Is it right? And if another carboxyl group is attached, look here, another carboxyl group is attached here, then the problem arises because it is a straight chain. And here the chain that is, it contains carboxyl group here also. Then in such cases, we have the name ends with tricarboxylic acid. Means the number should be given, look here carefully, the number should be given here, look here, leave all the 3-carboxylic acid. You have to leave all the 3-carboxylic acid. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ 1, 2, 3, ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1, 2, 3. ಈಗ 1, 2, 3 ಅದ. 1, 2, 3 ಒಳಗೆ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸಾರಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ CH2H, CH2, CHCOH, and then here, sorry, it is attached here, COOH. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅದ CH2COH ಅದ, CHCOH ಅದ, and then that is CH2COH ಅದ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾನ? ಯು ಲೀವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, this one, this one. Count this only 1, 2, 3. So it is called as a propane. Write complete name. Propane. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 hyphen tricarboxylic acid. and if there is any slight changes are there, then you may also write like this. So for example, COO, CH2, CH2 like this. If it is like this CH2, then if it is CH, COOH, then it is CH2, COOH. Look here. Again you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4 only. And we are not counting this carboxylic acid, this carboxylic acid. We are counting only the methyl group. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is butane, and it is 1, and it is 2, and it is 4. 1, 2, 4. Look here. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4 tricarboxylic acid. One, two, four tricarboxylic acid. Look here students, it is an example, and it also applicable to other functional groups. Suppose for example aldehyde is there, that is also called as tricarbaldehyde. If aldehyde is there, then it is called as a tricarbaldehyde. For example, so look here, look here, it is CHO, 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 aldehyde group is there. So then count 1, 2, 3, or you may come this side, 1, 2, 3. So it is propane, 1, 2, 3 tricarbaldehyde. Tricarbaldehyde, because the carbon chain is violated here. And if it is having only this much, it is having this much, then this will be counted here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is called as a pentane. So 1, and then it is 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5, 1, 5 dial, dial. So it is one new method here. So it is about if the functional groups are more than 2, and if it is attached to an unbranched carbon chain, then the name ends with tricarboxylic acid or tricarbaldehyde. So here it is an examples here. I think these examples are more then. Look here students, again nomenclature of alicyclic compounds. Nomenclature of alicyclic compounds. And here we know that the prefix is a cyclo. The prefix is a cyclo, and other rules are same. Other rules are same. According to the IUPAC system, we have to name it. So here we know that in alicyclic compound, we know that this is called as cyclohexane. Cyclohexane, and here it is called as cyclopentane. These are alicyclic compounds. And here if I attach like this, to this if I attach CH3, and here CH2, CH3, so it is like this. And here in CET exam or NEET exam, they may also give bond line structure. So how the bond line structure is given for this? Or look here students, they will simply draw a line. This line indicates CH3 group, this line indicates CH3 group, and then here it is written like this, means it is CH2 CH3 like this, CH2 CH3, it is CH3. So then here remember how it is named. Again same rule is applied, so what is the name here? So here which one first comes? Look here, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 or 1 2 3 4 5 6. Which ones comes here? It is called as ethyl and it is called as methyl. So according to the alphabetical order, which comes first? Yes, tell me. Which comes first? Here ethyl comes first, so we will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore it is called as 1 ethyl, 3 methyl, cyclohexane. Look here, both are same. So both are same. So 1 ethyl, 3 methyl, cyclohexane. And if the compound is written like this, look here, it is C2H5 and here I will write CH3 like this. So how to name this compound? How to number this compound? Remember, more branched carbon gets lower number. I will write here, note. I will write here, note. More branched carbon or more branched carbon gets lower number. Lower number means locant number. Lower number. So we will get that is a lower number. Then, so here it is more branched. So because this carbon atom is branched with 2 methyl groups, then we have to, it must have that lower number. So it is number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6. Then what is its name? It is first carbon atom contains 2 methyl groups. Then it is called as 1,1 dimethyl, and then 3 is ethyl. But here numbered first because we know that more branched carbon gets lower number. Then while naming, we have to again follow the IUPAC rule, because here it is methyl and here it is ethyl. Then it becomes like this. So here the naming becomes like this: 3 ethyl, 1,1 dimethyl, cyclohexane. Look here students, it is the name. So what is name here? 3 ethyl, 1,1 dimethyl cyclohexane. And similarly we can name many other compound. Look here, if functional group OH is attached here and if any CH3 group is there, then functional group gets higher priority. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then its name is here 3 methyl cyclohexane 1 OL, or you may simply write this 3 methyl cyclohexanol or cyclohexane 1 ol. This is the naming of alicyclic compounds. And if it contains double bond and triple bond, look here, if it contains double bond, and then here this compound is called as cyclohex, here double bond is there, ENE, cyclohexene. So here number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, number not necessary, because here the first carbon has this double bond, cyclohexene. And if it is having triple bond, I will write a different compound. Look here, and I will write one functional group. Then I will write triple bond. Look here, like this. Then what happens here? So double bond. So here OH group is a functional group. It has higher priority. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here, so it is cyclopentane, cyclopent. So YNE is there. Then how will write cyclopent? So 2 YNE, E is replaced by So 1 OL. Look here students. So cyclopent 2 YNE, E is replaced by 1 OL. Cyclopentene, pentyne YNE, E is replaced by OL. So these are the alicyclic compounds. And here one more new thing. So new rule is there. I will show again. Look here. If here, note, remember, note. So here, if the side chain contains, in alicyclic compound only, if the side chain contains a multiple bond, look here students, multiple bond means double bond and triple bond, or a functional group, if the side chain contains a multiple bond or a functional group, the alicyclic compound, remember, the alicyclic compound or alicyclic ring, it is considered as prefix. Idinna prefix anta togoti ನಾವು, is treated as, alicyclic ring is treated as prefix or substituent group, treated as a substituent group. ಅಥವಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ irrespective of the size of the ring, irrespective of the size of the ring. ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೊಪೇನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಬ್ಯೂಟೇನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಹೆಕ್ಸೇನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಹೆಪ್ಟೇನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಇರ್ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೈಜ್. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ದ ಅಲಿಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಎನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೊಪೇನ್. ಇದು ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೊಪೇನ್ ಅದು. ಈಗ ಈ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೊಪೇನಿಗೆ ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಒಂದು ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡನ್ನು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡನ್ನು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. CH ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ CH ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪು ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡು ಆಯ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೆನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪು ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ನೌ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೊಪೇನ್, it is completely considered as substituent group, and here it is considered as functional group, principal functional group. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ? if the side chain contains a multiple bond or functional group, the alicyclic ring is treated as substituent group or prefix irrespective of the size of the ring. So here it is named 1 2 3. so 1 2 3. so ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರನೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅದ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೊಪೇನ್ ಅದ. ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೊಪೇನ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 3 ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್. ದೆನ್ 1 2 3 ಏನದ? ಇದು ಪ್ರೊಪ್. ಸೊ ಎರಡನೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮಿಗೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದ, EN. ದೆನ್ ಒಂದನೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮಿಗೆ OIC ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಅದ, 1 OIC ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್. ಒಂದು ಬರೀಲೇ ನಡೀತದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್? 3 ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಪ್ 2 EN 1 OIC ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ರೂಲ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಮೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ CET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ ಮೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ NEET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಬರಿಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಹೆಕ್ಸೇನ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ರಿಂಗ್ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಈ ದೊಡ್ಡ ರಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಚೈನ್ ಬರಿತೀನಿ CH, ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH3 ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಚೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ CH3 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ CHOH ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ CH3. ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಒಂದು ಜನರಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೋಡಿ, CH3 CHOH CH ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ CH3. ಇದಕ್ಕೇನದಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಐಟಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಹೆಕ್ಸೇನ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ರೂಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ 1 2 3 4. ನೋಡಿರಿ 1 2 3 4. ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದು? ನಾವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, ಬುಕ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, ಆದರೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವೇನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ನೋಡಿ CH3 CH CHOH CH3. ಈಸಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. CH3 ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ, 1 2 3 4. CH3 CH2 CHOH CH3 I will say cyclic ring. So CH3 cyclic ring and CH4 CH, that is the fourth carbon atom. ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಹಿಂಗೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ದೆನ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೇಮ್ಡ್? ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡನೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನಿಗೆ 1 2 3 4 ಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ANE ಬ್ಯೂಟೆನಾಲ್. ಸೊ ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಐಟಮ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅದ ಬ್ಯೂಟೇನ್ ಟು ಆಲ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟೇನ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಮುಗಿತಿದ್ರ ಹೆಸರು. ದೆನ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಹೆಕ್ಸೇನ್. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಇದೀಗ? ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್, ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಬ್ಯೂಟೈಲ್, ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪೆಂಟೈಲ್, ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಹೆಕ್ಸೈಲ್. ಸೊ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ? ಮೂರನೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅದ 3 ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಹೆಕ್ಸೈಲ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟೇನ್ ಟು ಆಲ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ cycloalicyclic compounds. Students, then last one, nomenclature of aromatic substituted compounds. Nomenclature of aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds are benzene substituted compounds ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Benzene substituted compounds are substituted benzene compounds ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Benzene substituted or substituted benzene compounds. Substituted benzene compounds. Look here, we know that. It is called benzene. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ 1 3 5. ಸೊ ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಅದ ತಿಳಿತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ತಿಳಿತು, ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಹೆಕ್ಸೇನ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಂಜಿನ್, ಕ್ಲೋರೋಬೆಂಜಿನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ BR ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಬ್ರೋಮೋಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ NO2, ನೈಟ್ರೋಬೆಂಜಿನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೈಟ್ರೋಬೆಂಜಿನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಿನಾಲ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಫಿನಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಅಥವಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಬಲಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Benzenol. Common name ಏನದಲ್ಲ phenol ಅದ. It is also called as benzenol. And then aniline. It is also called as benzonamine. It is a IUPAC name. Benzonamine, IUPAC name. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ aniline, toluene. Toluene. It is also called as methyl benzene. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಟಾಲ್ವಿನ್. ಇನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಎರಡು ಬಂದು ಅಂತೇಳಿರಿ. Look here. It is called as 1,2 dichlorobenzene. Dichlorobenzene. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಅದು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಅದು. ಏನದು ಕಾಮನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Look here. Here I will write. So remember, it is called as ortho position. It is called as meta position. It is called as para position. Again this side meta. Again this side ortho. Look here. Either ortho, meta, para. Again either opposite meta, either opposite ortho, either opposite para. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಏನು ಇಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲಿ. ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಆರ್ಥೋ ಡೈಕ್ಲೋರೋ ಬೆಂಜಿನ್. ಆರ್ಥೋ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಕದ ಡೈಕ್ಲೋರೋ ಬೆಂಜಿನ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಆರ್ಥೋ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆರ್ಥೋ ಯಾವ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದು ಆರ್ಥೋ ಡೈಕ್ಲೋರೋ ಬೆಂಜಿನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1,3 dichlorobenzene, and it is also called as meta. So this is meta position, meta dichlorobenzene. And then it is 1,4 1 2 3 4 1,4 dichlorobenzene, or it is para dichlorobenzene. So here you may add 3 that is substituent groups also. You may add 3 substituent group also. Look this. Like this. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is called as 1 3 5 trichlorobenzene. So here it is in benzene ring. So how the other groups are substituted? Let us see few other examples. Few examples again. I will write here. Look here. Benzoic acid. You may write this like this also. Both are same. Alternative double bonds. It is common name is benzoic acid. Common name is benzoic acid. So its IUPAC name is benzene carboxylic acid. Benzene carboxylic acid. Almost we are using this common name here. It is called as benzene carboxylic acid. Then it is called as benzaldehyde. Aldehyde group. Benzaldehyde. It is also called as benzene carbaldehyde. It is also called as benzene carbaldehyde. Then look here, acetone, it is called as acetophenone. Acetophenone, benzene ring contains ketonic group acetophenone, and it is also called as, here it is a functional group. Look here students, you may name this compound like this. Look here, you may also name this compound. Here it is a CH3CO, it is 1, here functional group 1, it is 2. First carbon atom, second carbon atom. To the first carbon atom, this benzene group is attached, and this benzene group is called as, look here, it is also written like this, C6H5CO CH3. Look here, C6H5 means benzene, this phenyl, it is called as a phenyl, and it is called as a 1, 2, it is 1, it is 2, it is called as ethane. E is replaced by ONE. Ethanone, phenyl ethanone, means the phenyl group is attached to first carbon atom, it is called as 1 phenyl ethanone. Look here students, this benzene ring also written like the C6H5CO CH3, that is phenyl ethanone. These two, it is a carbon chain, it is called as eth, it is called as eth, ANE, E is replaced by ONE because it contains ketonic group. Phenyl ethanone, first group, it is attached to the first carbon atom, it is called as 1 phenyl ethanone. It is the IUPAC name, and common name is acetophenone. Common name is acetophenone. And here you may write another example. It is called as benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol, you may also name it like this, it is methyl, methanol. So 1 phenyl methanol, you may write this like this also, it is called as 1 phenyl methanol, 1 phenyl methanol. It is also written like this, C6H5 CH2OH1 methanol, 1 phenyl methanol. So according to the IUPAC system, it is called as 1 phenyl methanol. We are almost using these IUPAC common names. And then I will write another example. OH CH3. Look here, substituent group, or you add another substituent group here. It is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here it is 3, 4 dimethyl phenol. 3, 4 dimethyl phenol. So here these are the aromatic compounds. In aromatic compounds, I have already shown that is all the compounds here. So student, here it is about aromatic compounds. And you may also have some other examples, that is last one. Look here, note, remember, it is the last examples. Here they may ask in CET or NEET examination, the carboxylic group which are unbranched, or you may take which are not directly linked, which are not directly linked to the parent chain, linked to the parent chain or principal chain. Principal chain means parent chain, students. Here are expressed as carboxyalkyl, are expressed as a carboxyalkyl. alkyl. It is the prefix, carboxy alkyl prefix. Look here, this one, very important one. Look here, the carboxylic group which are not directly linked to the principal chain are expressed as a carboxy alkyl prefix. Means the carboxyl group is attached to any other alkyl groups. It may be attached to methyl group, or it may be attached to that is this propyl group or butyl group. So here it is called as a prefix. It is considered as a prefix. So I will write an example here. So here, look at students. It is a CH3, CH. I will write here CH3, COH, and then CH2. Then I will write a branch. Look here. It is attached here indirectly. It is attached to alkyl group. And then I will write another group, CH. Otherwise, this group is also attached to side chain, or you may attach directly, COH. And then write it, CH2, COH. Look here. Here, the carboxyl group is not attached directly to this. It is attached indirectly. CH3, CHCOH, then CH2, then again CH2COH. This is the important group here, and again CHCOH, then CH2COH. Look here, I will write here. First, that is this end is near 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then how it is named? How it is named? So look the compound carefully. Look at the compound carefully. And if you come from this end, again it becomes a 4. Then how you will write the name of this compound? It is indirectly attached. And this one is called as a carboxy methyl. This one is called as a carboxy methyl. And then it is 1, 2, 3. So here it is 7. And if you write that is its root word is heptane. Its root word is heptane. How you write here? It is one of the complex compound. Then how you name it? It is heptane, and here it is called as a prefix. Yes? Any ideas? Heptane. So look here, 1, 2, 3. Here it is 3, and here it is 1, 2 nearest to this end. And we have to number from this end because it is nearest to this 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 5. It is 6. It is 7. Heptane. So here for second it has carboxylic group, and then 4 it has a prefix, and 5 it has a carboxyl group, and 7 it has again carboxyl group. Then here heptane is there. Then so here the second carbon atom 2, 5, and then 6. Look here, 2, 5, and then it is 6. So it is a tricarboxylic acid. What is a tricarboxylic acid? It is tricarboxylic acid. Heptane 2,5,6 tricarboxylic acid. Then what about this? Heptane tricarboxylic acid. Then what about this? Look here, students, how it is named. Then here it is named. Look here, it is a fourth carbon atom, 4. It is written as a carboxy methyl. 4 carboxy methyl. CH2COH group is called as a carboxy methyl. So here it is 4 carboxy methyl heptane 2,5,6 tricarboxylic acid. Look once again, second and then fifth and then sixth. So carboxylic acid is there. tricarboxylic acid. Fourth one is so methyl. Here it is carboxyl group, carboxymethyl, carboxymethyl. You may write another example also. You may write another example also for aldehyde and for ketones. So here in our next period we will discuss some questions from CET and NEET. So thank you.